what is share market? Usually people money to money deposit a bank account, deposit a bank account, then to invest money to account, and the money to interest to come to in your account, and share market companies, you take a money, and your share market company share market what is share, what is stock, and what is security included. First of all, stock is a like what is share like your own house, and you are owner on this house, and 100% ownership only for you, and it is called share. And second point is stock. What is stock? Stock is a house, the house, and on your the house, and who is a house, the owner, and you, and like your wife ownership, half wife, half ownership on this house, and 50% to you and 50% of your wife. Then it is called stock. Security included. Security included is the most big word, and his word to include by stock and share and etc. Word include by security market, security included, and your money to invest a share market, and some investment, some interest price to come back on your account, and the company, and first company to security included to first company be Bombay stock market, and second company national stock market. And it is also working for your money to take on business, and to invest the share market, and how to profit, what is profit and what is loss, to also different share market, and to profit and to your account interest, and loss to your money is risk investment on the share market. To people money to invest the share market, and it is a very profit company. It is a very profitable company to invest share market, and you know knowledge to about share market, but your money loss and profit, also investing the share market. And Bombay stock market company to your to differently profit to your account, and national stock marketing company to differently investing your money. First point of inflation. What is inflation? Like apple, to first year apple to purchase 100 rupees, and same apple purchase second year to your apple same, but your price it not same. First year you purchase the apple, then 100, and second year purchase the apple to 110. That it is called the inflation. Like your money to put your house, and your money value to decrease in your house, and this money to invest the share market, and this money invest the share market, and it is called to investment to double. That's it.
Stock public market that exists for issuing, buying and selling stock. That trade on a exchange stock to over the country. Stock, what is a stock? And individual who owns stock in a company is called a shareholder. The client and illegal the client part of the company he should invest and earn it. And should the company be ever dissolved, the term stock share and equity are used to interchangeable, as also known as a equity represent fractional ownership in a company, and stock market is a place where investor can buy and sell ownership such as a investor assets, financial assets refers to assets that the equities owning and equity owning instrument has to as key as functioning stock market is critical to economic development, as it gives company ability to quickly access capital from the public. Trending of stock. A stock trending data dates back as the mid 1500s. Since the stock trending is generally recognized and starting with the trending of share in the East Indian Company in London. How does the work of stock market? If thought of invest in the stock market, you are not alone individual with very limited experience. In stock investing, invest to equity. Habit by owner. Story of the average investor losing 50%. The qualitative values. Example for if there to be a market that have hundred investment we would buy hot tips that bear the promise of huge rewards, but seldom play off. It is not surprising. Then that the pendulum of investor system is side of swing carried the greed. Understand the stock market. Will today it is possible to purchase almost everything online. If there I usually I internet market for the detective for then you drive to city irritated and from large purchase to Christmas tree. Let visit the timber market of buy wood and other necessary material for home renovating and furniture and go to store sofa, table, bench, kursi.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
For example,
4,
if the only one is failure in the
10 मिनट
ठीक है। तो आप दोनों ने काफी अच्छा बोला, तो उसमें आगे हो जाए।
विनर है अमन। चेक।
तो विनर है शिवम।
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा।
शिवम दे नहीं सकता है। मान लो
5 रुपए का नोट और 1 रुपया खुला।
ये